So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can update your iPhone to iOS 18.3. So recently, Apple started rolling out iOS 18.3 update for all the supported iPhones. And if your iPhone supports it, then you can easily download and install this update on your device. So let's see how you can install iOS 18.3 update on your iPhone. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Now this will check for the updates. Now as you can see here, this shows iOS 18.3. And here are two options, Update Now and Update Tonight. If you want to install the update right now, then tap on Update Now. Enter the passcode of your iPhone. And this will start downloading the update. Once done, you can install it. So this is how you can install iOS 18.3 update on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.